The two main functions of an inductor. First, energy storage. For example, when stepping down a 12V DC voltage to 5V, the inductor plays a crucial role. This is a switching power supply circuit that adjusts the switch's state to achieve voltage reduction. How can we step down from 12V to 5V? We simply keep the switch open for 7 parts of the time and closed for 5 parts of the time. This way, we get a 5V output. When the switch is closed, the diode is reverse biased, and the 12V power source stores energy in the inductor. When the switch is open, the inductor releases energy to the load. This is how the inductor stores and releases energy. The capacitor smooths out the waveform, providing a stable DC voltage that meets our needs. Signal selection. There are various frequency signals in the air, and here the inductor plays a crucial role. It's a combination of inductance and capacitance. The inductor and capacitor can be viewed as a resistance, and when in series with a resistor, they form a voltage divider. When the resistor value below is large, the output signal closely matches the input signal, and interference with the input signal is minimized. What is the maximum value of this LC combination? When the inductor and capacitor resonate, their impedance reaches its maximum value, which is, and based on this, we can select the values of the inductor and capacitor to filter frequencies. Looking at the frequency characteristic curve, when the frequency is at resonance, the impedance is nearly infinite, and the LC combination behaves like an open circuit. In this case, the signal at the resonant frequency is directly output. Signals of other frequencies, which do not resonate with the LC combination, will have low impedance, and the LC behaves like a short circuit for them, allowing the signals to bypass the LC. This way, the LC combination performs frequency selection. If we replace the capacitor with a variable capacitor, the resonant frequency can be adjusted manually, which is how a radio selects channels. In addition to tuning, the inductor's signal selection function is also widely used in filters and oscillators. In summary, the two main functions of inductors are energy storage and signal selection.